Hi friends, welcome to the YouTube channel. I'm Nisha News. I hope you'll be fine on telling about when BTS member punished RM for turning during permission to dance stage. Let's turn the clock to another fun time in the Bangtan diary when BTS member punished RM for turning during permission to dance on stage. BTS is one of the most iconic K-pop boy bands, having captivated the entire world with their presence. BTS is also known for having the most of memorable fun moments. Once, the BTS member punished leader RM for yawning during the permission to dance on stage concert.
Sometimes the
It
most
all
beautiful
happened
love
when
stories
BTS
remain
was on tour
incomplete.
for their permission to
He is
dance
such a
on stage concert,
wacky,
which kicked
eccentric
off on October 24, 2021 in Seoul, South Korea and ran until April 6, 16, 2022
glamorous, not just
in
the
Las
muted
Vegas,
traditional details
Nevada,
that I actually
US.
find.
I can't say that I
During one
relate to the
show
character
of
because I'm
No,
not.
never
TDD
that I was doing this because of Pankaj Tripathi. I wanted to go. Just a rule है
concert,
इसका.
while all various members were giving
उनसे मांगो अगर
ending
होटल पे के
speeches, something unbelievable happened. Jin was giving his speech when RM John and Jimin, Jungkook, Suga, Wee, and Taehoe noticed. When Jin, angered by it, asked, "Who just yawned?" Jungkook immediately pointed to RM and said his name. Jin called him out by saying, "Hey, yellowhead." RM had yellow colored hair at the time. Then we asked RM if he was sleepy. He should get off work early and go home. Jin also said the same surprised by RM unbelievable yawning and told him go home first. RM adorable
Sometimes the most
said
beautiful
sorry,
love stories
only to
remain
do the same
incomplete.
again.
And today we are with the
Jin
starcast
and
of
then
Love
Jin then
Academy.
gave him a punishment and asked him to put your head up and
Eccentric
stand here.
character before it was important for me to
The same happened moment after
myself
when he was
play
giving
something
his
young,
speech and
fun,
Jin called
glamorous,
him out
not
for
just the
yawning again.
muted
This time
traditional
we are
Desi roles that
also
I
asked him
actually
to go home and
find.
Jungkook
Yeah,
made RM
that's
stand
my
up.
comfort zone.
We
अब है
even
कि
said
अगर
the
है
man called the
सारे
leader,
सीनियर
while all of them punished RM
जैसा रोल
to
है
go
उसका लेफ्टो वाला वो
at the
सारे
back
आवाकाडो
and
पीछे निकल
stand.
गए जब उनसे
RM
मांगो
tried to
अगर होटल
explain
पे
by
के
saying
एक
that
आवाकाडो
he
आपको मिल
couldn't
जाए
get
खत्म हो
much
गया
sleep
सारे
last
ही बोल
night,
दिए सारे को
but Jin laughed and said, "Stand up and raise your hand."
I
And
can't say
raise
that
your
I
hands.
relate to the
He
character
also
because I'm
said the
not.
same. Jungkook nodded.
हाय हाय दिस
They
कैलेबर यू
couldn't
डोंट नीड टू रीटेक बेबी
let it pass just because RM is the leader.
in a tub for like 15
Permission to
seconds
dance on
but it
stage,
felt like
LA, was made into a concert film later released
We had to
the-
really, we had to really work on it
theatrically
because every time we look at each other, we
and is
start
currently
laughing.
streaming on
Guys,
Disney
be
Plus. In
serious.
another news, BTS member J-Hope is scheduled for to return from his military enlistment in October
Kind of
2024. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did like this video, subscribe the channel. Have a nice day and goodbye.